This is Justin with ZZ2. I'm in the sales department, and one of the questions I get all the time is what makes your screen replacements different? So I'm going to give you 5 reasons why ours are a step above. Number 1, anti-glare screen. You want to upgrade to a high-res screen, but you don't want to deal with glare from the sun? Well, ZZ2 is the choice. Anti-glare screen, non-anti-glare screen. Number 2, factory aesthetics. You want to upgrade your factory screen, but you don't want to sacrifice the look of your interior. Well, our screens are a seamless factory fit with a high-end finish. Number 3, Linux-based ZOS. More apps does not mean better performance. In most cases, those extra apps and extra widgets are going to slow down performance and degrade over time. That's why our MFI made for iPhone chips and our Linux-based ZOS operating system ensure a reliable, stable product for many years to come. Number 4, optimized user interface. Our user interface has been optimized for simple, intuitive operation. There's no widgets to the side, no unnecessary information or vehicle information status that's not even tied to the vehicle, unlike our competitors. Number 5, real support. Real tech support and in-house engineering. Our engineering team makes sure that our products are optimized for use in your vehicle, and our tech team makes sure that any questions that arise or issues with the product are handled immediately and you have a live person to talk to. And there you have it. Top 5 reasons why our display screens are a cut above. If you're interested in finding out more information, you can contact us at www.zz2.com.